Today's adventure is all about interior spaces of Chicago. It's cold, it's snowy, I don't really want to be outside, but I do want to go out and do something. So what are we going to do today? We're going to go hang out with Chicago Detours and our tour guide Elizabeth. She's going to take us around some of downtown, the Loops, buildings, and awesome interior spaces, just like this one that we're at the Cultural Center. All right, let's go for a skate.
Are a few things that make this tour unique. Primarily, this is going to be an interactive tour. Quite nearly sold out group today. So I want to do just quick introductions going around saying your first name and where you're from.
And I'm Greg, also from Hermosa in Chicago.
I am a native born and bred. My family comes from the south side, the back of the yards neighborhood. It does have that color to it. A lot to show.
See how much you already know about architecture.
Howdy Village, you're seeing one of the last remaining examples of an original lot size in Chicago. So that means if we'd been strolling down Monroe Street here about 100 years ago, it would have been full of buildings only that big. Underneath that, we're going to start with 3 up here. I have to go back to before Chicago was a city. And when this opened in 1923, it was the tallest building in Chicago. Chicago, on the left and the second panel up in the city.
More generally about art is saying everybody wants to understand art.
What kinds of associations do people have with Chicago pre-1960s?
You might also have associated us with kind of labor unions, lots of workers and unions. Just about anything that your union gives you was fought for here in Chicago on our streets. That's why we get to see so much art, like the Chagall that we saw earlier, the Moreau we just walked past, in these public spaces for free. It all started with that Picasso. So we're going to head across the street and down into the Pedway. First, we're going to use the Pedway to cut under the street and into block 37.
Yeah.
If we don't work for the city, except that this block has become notorious as a redevelopment disaster. So let's talk about what happened here. Because originally this block was full of 19th century buildings from that boom of Reconstruction right after the Great Fire. Sounds pretty good, right? So that's the plan. Yeah, they start construction in the 90s, 2001, the economy tanks. So it's construction, they pick up again in 2003, 2005. There's a terrible fire on site. This is where we get to start talking about the first of Block 37. Which is a good thing because otherwise I would make that mistake about 1,000 times a night. There's ladies. Don't just shove your broom in a corner. Hang it on a handcrafted falcon's head or a decorative tusk. Right? Don't you wish you had more decorative tusks at home? And I'm a notoriously terrible counter, so help me out, Peanut Gallery, with keeping people honest, okay? If we were right here around 9 or 5 o'clock in any regular workday downtown, this is almost all directions, headed to that action, and they want to be a part of downtown. Who's in charge of the Pedway? Each of these Pedways is controlled by the building it's connected to. But the theory is, you could live your whole life down here and never set foot outside. Commute downtown to work all day, work all day, go out after work, have a couple of drinks and dance, head back home to South Bend and never set foot outside. We're going to step outside for a split second and into the cultural center.
Thank you.
So where we are is Chicago's Cultural Center. This houses all kinds of meeting spaces, as you can see, for people to come together, practice spaces for performance arts like dance and theater, as well as exhibition space for gallery art, concerts, recitals, even cinema is shown here, and everything is offered free to the public.
State Street and Michigan Avenue's magnificent line. Streets electric, awash in neon. City of criminals, character and characters. City of reality, city of illusion. City you sometimes have to imagine just to believe.
All right, Mayan Truffles, where are you today?
It's a green Mayan truffles. It'll be the best truffle ever. Yeah, so.
Hello, how you doing? Forget 3 of the Mayan truffles.
Yeah.
Right, that one.
I'm gonna go home and
All right, Mayan truffle cheer.
Cheers!
Maria says. And Alex says.
This is so.
That's alright. We know you. We know what you mean.
Take two. And Alex says.
Whatever to do with yourself.
Let's go for a skate.
Let's go for a skate.
Let's go for a skate.
Let's go for a skate.